My name is Julia Freeman, and I'd like to introduce you to Horizon, a fabulous building here in the heart of Lower Lonsdale, built by Intercorp. This bright open plan has tons of windows. You've got northwest exposure, so it's really bright in here. You've also got top of the line finishings, stone counters, wood veneer cabinets, and a nice gray laminate floor. This apartment is really unique with 3 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms. It also has 2 separate front doors. So it's designed that you're able to close off this portion of the apartment and rent it as a studio suite for amazing rental income.